Hi dears, today I am going to prepare peanut chicky mix. Spoon it there. The ingredients are roasted peanut powder, jaggery powder, nuts, chopped nuts. Take a bowl, add peanut powder on it. Then after add jaggery powder. Then after add chopped nuts on it. Mix it well. Have a healthy snack and stay fit. Iron and protein rich peanut chicky mix ready. Have a wonderful snack. Thank you.